Yo, people, I'm moving here right now, bad and ramble. Better not tell me I go on, people. Although I'm up on my dying bed right now. Boy, a Barbican named Chris Rich. Chris shit that man. See the boy a GTT la show in my suit. My suit I wear go a long time show from in England. China look a man and I give man my clothes them and all my shoes them, all shoes them. My shoes them where Mark, where are you when you were new? Up at England from Gully Bop. Yeah. Let me tell you something, man. All them boy, they want to see the boy try to walk through the crowd. You know, I'm all clothes them. Clothes them when I resign from foreign dog. Want to look like Gully Bop. Chin all go as far as we all send the boy them a foreign with me on tour. I watch her, you know. Me and Chin go. Trinidad where they, you know. And Chin carry one of the youth on tour, you know. Anyhow, Spicy talk the truth, you know. She talk the truth, you know. And Spicy talk the truth. And Chin and the boy sleep. Chin wait till me drop asleep in the night in my hotel room. Chin wake up asleep with the boy and Tatik. Tatik is a nerd. Tatik mouth always ready. You know I'm love doing, you know. Nyam meat pepper can't go pan. Them boy they nyam meat can't cook. Yo, one Chris Rich and nyam meat. And a fuck a chin from me, you just suck a chin from me. Trust me. I not disrespect, I not talk nothing bad about Chin, but Chin is a big criminal. Chin just scam whole heap of money, just scam the people their money, booking people show, taking people money. Yeah. But the foreign, they send on 10,000 USD Chin, but not send it piece. And you take the money, pay down tonight time, money pull up. No matter. The money pull up still help me. Yeah. But you know, you have my money and mind them, boy. You have my money and try boss other artists. But Chin it now go work. Look now. I'm from a dying bed and many and Gully Bop, you know. The end of the day, you know. And me and the man, you know. You know, so you start though. Eh? Me buy a computer, Chin. Me buy a printer machine, Chin. Me buy a big 70. The biggest camera them, 70 gigabyte one name. You can zoom up people from over Cuba. You see, Jamaica can zoom people from Cuba. Get everything for your comfort, Chin. Chin, you stop sleep on kaya bed, Chin. You sleep in a good bed. Chin, you come out man go around, Chin, and nobody couldn't help you. I'm going to step out of the gully, Chin, and help you. Yeah. The media did a warn me about your Chin. All of the media warn me about your Chin. I still a burn out the Chin. I still a burn out the media and I say, sure. But Chin, you blind me. How you put over my eye, Chin? I'm like I can't see so far, Chin. Chin, the world knows that I love you, Chin. The world knows that I love you. The world knows that I not trick you, Chin. The world knows that I give you things. All the hospital bed could attack you, Chin. Chin, let me tell you why people know that I deal with a good Chin. Let me tell you why I know people know that I deal with a Chin. You know, long down my bus, 1 year straight down my bus. And a rental yard drive, Chin. Rental yard drive straight, Chin. And a 6 grand a day. Check up 1 year with a 6 grand, Chin. Yeah. So right now, my life has started all over, Chin. So Chin, you see all you get rid, you're gone. But you can't take no furniture from my house, Chin. You can't take nothing out of my house. Chin, when you can't go to a country where you come from, Chin, that's far from civilization, Chin. Not even street light where you come from, Chin. Not even light post where you come from, Chin. But let me tell you something, Chin. So I did in the gully, one light post in the right at the gully edge. With a street light on it, JPS put up that, Chin. So Chin, all we are going with, Chin, it's not going to work, Chin. Chin, you do a whole heap of bad things. Whole heap of bad things. I'm going back to show a big sheet over it, so. Yeah. So, if you don't feel, say, when Chin lock up in a car and claim to me, do Chin nothing. I don't do Chin nothing. I don't do Chin nothing. Chin, but them boss and me, then soon get better, you know. It now go in there forever and ever, Chin. Soon get better. See me at the show down a girl with the bunks last night. So you feel say me I go stay a country. I just trick you. You call me up on my phone. Where you there, Bob? I say, I'm the country, you know. Then time they have the boy them in my house asleep. They have the boy them in my house asleep. Lock me out of my house for 3 weeks straight. I play a Mandeville. The whole of the people man, a man will see me down there from where they and Christian and thing, you know. People when I did down there, you know, I was telling them lies, I'm on vacation. I chin locked me out of my own house. And they are mob here with the key. This boy, you know, when name, but they have no name, it's not so important. Mark one. I drive around Chin all over the place. I trail to find me there. But Mark one, remember me tell you, you know, Mark one. Watch it. Stop spy on me. Because I not do nothing wrong. Things go as far as to talk about cocaine and them things there. People, any cane when you have a sugar cane, and stop me sugar cane because I not teeth. Here people. She try living at the past, she try to flap me. She not voice note that says she must flap my career, you know. But she cannot flap my career. The real love me, God put more in the chin. I know media, God put more in there. And the people them love my story, Chin. Chin me there England, me send crazy pound come here, Chin. I mean, they make madman come out of Gully. I mean make madman stop staying at the park down at town. Me make a 80-year-old man say, oh, me nah give up life because Gully Bop put me back on my foot. Chin all pastor in a church rate me, Chin. Chin, everybody rate me, all the grandparents in my country rate me, Chin. Chin, me make you have everything for your comfort, Chin. Everything. So what is all about? What is all about? Chin, you don't want nothing in life. Because you come off a king size bed and they still there asleep on couch. And it burn me, it hurt my feelings, it make me cry. I tell you that, my girl, you see you, Chin, you're not going to fall around 26. I mean, no want your life to drop down, I still want you to survive. I hope them can help you and don't help you down. Because all you have to put out for media like you're media queen, let me tell you something. I'm many on social media. I'm many on Facebook. I'm many on groupie. My God. I'm many on everything. I'm say, my God. I'm say, every girl want to work off for me. Yes. Yes. Chin, you alone can't get work off for me. Another girl needs space. Yeah. And you need a space, I'm going to give you space. You have your friend on an arcade named Pat. Me see you burn out Pat whole heap of time. And to the end of the day, you in a Pat house asleep on floor, Chin, board floor. But wipe and shine polish. You know, tired of red ochre rubber up on your chin. You don't want to live good life. Yeah. You don't want to live good life like a girl. You don't want nothing in life. You stay there with Tommy Lee, me know, and go and like me no know. Chin chin, me go and like me no know. You lie with the water glass. So till you all over there asleep on plaza. And me take you off a plaza and put you in another yard. Right now, me the doctor, you know. You see me? All the landlord, all the dog. Right now, Chin have a little dog up at the yard named Zori. I show you Chin wicked, you know. And Chin lock out the dog on the car approach, on the porch under the balcony, you know. For weeks and the dog not eat. People have to lean up plywood to climb up for the dog walk on them. The flowers them dead out, everything dead out. Me the foreigner send crazy money for Chin. And Chin I take my money and mine crazy man. I mean no. But so
step 2016.
Yeah. Me know say at 2016 I come from a new thing I go go on. Me nobody say none. Chin all you put out on Facebook with me man. It not gonna work in a Chin.
Yes.
Chin right now. If me ever look on the road and say, go get her.
True.
They must get you in a Chin. And them not want to beat you.
Yes.
Them not want to tear off your clothes off of you. You run to a police station, you know where you're mad at Chin. The boy ain't have no bed up a Barbican. You want a king size bed to go in? No baby. Ain't going. Ain't working. You want the one and still not going to get it. And some poor people don't say I'm going to give them it. Chin, me have fridge in my house. Me have gas stove in my house. Yeah. And let me tell you something, people. This is a history that one have to go viral. Me have a gas in my house. And I tell you about a 30-pound gas. 1 year long and it can't done. Why? Chin no cook. Me have rice in my house, flour in my house, sugar, everything in my thing. And I tell you so we bland yam them down people. Sometimes you have to make our family in my jungle come for food. And still I give them it.
So
all the helper come at the yard.
The
helper now have to keep no food, you know. She can't take them because she say weeble in them.
People love you this man.
Let me tell you something, man. Chin a whole heap of things ago. Chin my stove cold. Me never wake up one man and feed my stove. And my stove him warm. You know where all of my money gone? In a breakfast and a price right chin. The morning can buy patty and coffee, KFC, Kentucky chicken, yeah, pie pies, all those things, all those things, all those things, yeah, all those things. Burger King, I never Burger King or Burger Queen, but you love it. Look now, all those things. Chin, we have banana in the house, bunch of banana stay there and ripe. Yam stay in my house and grow. And I dig yam out of my rubbish pan in my house, dig yam and I dirt my night. Yo, people, more time I come in my house, I'm smart, I'm streetwise, you know. I spell all my name on the dresser. Write it like a blackboard, I write on my finger. Blackboard. Chin, you're not dust house, you're not spread bed. I'm talking the truth, I'm talking the truth. Look. A man don't supposed to have a gas in his house 1 year and he can't done. That's me no cooking. People, me not tell no lie. Look how fridge cold. And me have egg in my fridge so tell me say hatch. Hatch. She not fry her egg and give me a slice of bread. Put it on bread. Me show off, you know, the people them can't tell you. You see when me go Mega Mart to go shopping, 100,000 we are shopping, 200,000. We have bills can't show. Bills. Me there foreign, chin book show, collect 5,000 US, 6,000 US from that one day, 3,000 US from that one day, at the advance in the people. Believe you me people, me not lying. Me not see none of them money when I come back to Jamaica. When chin said I look bad, she take the money and buy a king size bed. Now she tell me say, me buy it in my name, everything in my house buy in my name. And no. I know that everything by in your house, Chin, because I cannot see it foreign and buy nothing in my name.
Yes.
So I have to send the money to give you to buy things to put in my house. Chin, you don't have nothing. Chin, you not left my house, I'm going to think you come and go with it now. I'm going to think you can't take out of my house, you know, Chin. I just say looks. I just say looks alone in my house. Now all those clothes when I buy your Chin, I don't need them. You can't have them. 2 bed in there, you can take the queen bed, but you cannot get my king bed. I have 2 flat screen TV there, so big they can't come to my door. You can have 1. You can get 1 sheet. Yeah, I'm still now flap out your career. I'm going to give you things that you want and let you buy. But I'm going to tell you, Chin, you would have never live to get a man like Gully Bop in your LIFE. Remember me tell you, I turn you all in an artist. Look how much artists are there around, Chin, and none of them couldn't make you be an artist. I'm going to think they want to swipe out your little life. Swipe you out, make you be a swipe. Make you be a swipe king, Chin. Chin, no bowings never go on in my house, Chin. Chin, no bowings never go on in my house. When I'm born, Chin, I never play face to waist. My face never go near your waist. Never. Let me tell you. You saw me straight? The gully man. Chin, all those kisses on Facebook with me and you. It was fake. You said it. I have it to record. You don't know I'm smart, Chin. I'm smart. I'm going to tell you I'm tricky, Chin. I put all my phone on record and left it in the house and gone left you. A record. And all the conversation we have on phone with other people, it's a record. When I come sometime I'm full. I can star a movie out of Chin. Chin, when you do the print and the computer and all those things I'm buy. Sell them back to get money pull up a dance. You know, see nothing now going for your dance again, Chin. You could have gone give boom boom and 500 US and 600 US. I pay them money that Chin, you dash in a dance. You know. People, when last time I see Chin, can do money pull up. It OVER. Yeah. Up to little E that probably can run him. In a dark glass, stand up in a corner like them. A bad man. It's not bad man. Those are Batman. Yeah. And Batman alone in a Batman gang. See a little E that one on a GT tailor with you with my camera on my bike. A $1,500 I pay for my camera. 15. Remember me telling you now, 1,500 to pay for my camera. US. And Miami, me there walk out the whole of Miami and can't get it so till me find it. Tell me see the boy what my camera put, me just take my camera from him. Want to see me look big clown. But me say, I don't want to bum from my friends, so I give people things and take it.